Hello, this is video about company which called Earth's Manufacturing Company Incorporated, ticker ARTW, and this is American company which make model buildings, agriculture production, and tools. My name is Vadim. I'm 35 years old. This channel generally I lead for improve my English, and I like investment, stocks, market, economic, all these things. So I do video about this. Okay, let's go. Firstly, why I'm looking for interest in this company. It's company very small. It's capitalization, market capitalization about 20 millions. Oh, sorry, 12 millions, 12 millions dollars. Very, very small. Um, and always interesting to discover something not very popular. You can find something very interesting. Um, assets on share about 427 and equity per share 272 with price 238. It's looks interesting because if we buy for this price we get a discount about 30 cents per share. um, Usually um, um, you can see same picture, then equity per share cheaper than price of cost for company which have not very good perspective and market don't believe in pure future for this company, or market just don't know this company. This is assets and equity from 2019 to 2025. This is revenue for 6 years. This is average revenue. It's important to count average revenue because sometimes you can catch unusually good year or unusually bad year for company, and if you just take this and this 2 digit, your system be incorrect. So much better to take average digit. um, Operation income and net income. So let's see, it's growth of assets for 6 years, 979 or 163 per year. Um, Here is growth of equity for 6 year, and this is per year. Growth of revenue for all year for 6 year, 170 per year. And this is average growth of revenue for all time. So this, yeah, this to this, and this is per year. So, and I even can't count operation income and net income because in 2019 2020 it was um, minuses digit. And here is EP. Generally, market use PE multiplicator but I prefer PE because EP much easier. You don't need count something more in your brain. You just can percent and compare with deposit or obligation or whatever. So I think it's much better and simple. And if you see or to all these digit, uh, company looks pretty bad, nothing interesting, no growth, cost is expensive, so don't should to buy it. This is first opinion what I have. By the way, this video is not investment individual recommendation, but when I go to financial statement, I saw the things, next things. This is quarter statement. Firstly, cash. Company almost have no cash. In 2024, it was 1,400 bucks. It's like my in debit card. It looks scary, but company can take credit. They have credit line, so it's not dramatic. Nothing dramatic here. But if company have a lot of cash and liquid assets, it's good sign. If they have no, it's not a good sign. Okay, and what else I see interesting here? This is we can see that company sold some stocks, and this company buy some stocks, and I decide to count for what price they buy stocks and what price they sell stocks, and they sold stocks for from $3 to three and more, $3 and $4, and they buy stocks for $1.50, and now is price 238. So it's I thought it's interesting thing. Okay, but we back too late to this to this. Let's see. Statement of operation for 9 months. Revenue is going back, but expensive also less than a year before, and this give us much better gross profit. It's told us then company good control, good manage expensive. Here also expensive, and after of all expensive, total expensive 4 millions. Statement in dollars because company very small. Yeah, here expensive for 4 millions and 460 400s, and here 5 millions and 13800s. And after all, operation income from change from minus 5700 to plus 857. So it looks pretty interesting. This is interest expensive. And what is this? 1.5 million over expensive. Looks pretty big for small company. This is evidence that company get from government, but it's for a long time. They start to get this allowance from 2029 and just get it in 2025. So it's mean not investment factor. It's don't mean company get this money every year. It's they take it for few years. Yeah. So it's not about investment, but we need to keep it in mind. Big money. Um, and after all, company pay tax and net profit, net income after all, 1,060,400. So it looks pretty small, especially we compare in 2024. It was minus 426. If we check year statement for 2024, in the end they still have pluses net income about $307,000, but it's only for 9 months. So let's see if it's be bigger. It's looks very interesting, and EP in this case become about 10%, so much better. And I think we need to see a statement of cash flow. But before we go to cash flow, I want to tell you about structure of business. Business have three segments. First segments, it's modeling building. They build modeling building, and this is bigger segment. And this segment have a grow in 2025. Second segment, it's agriculture production, agriculture equipment, and this segment become less in 2025, but they believe that now market on bottom and market will grow soon, so they still prepare to grow in agriculture sector. Let's see. And third sector is tools, and they decide to uh, sell this sector, so no tools anymore. Yeah. Mm, and if we check statement of cash flow and a bigger digit, this one looks pretty interesting. It's contract in progress, so they do some work, but people don't give them money from contract. How I see it, mm, have a little risky, but generally it's okay. Inventories. So company buy some equipment or what they need to continue their business. And this is very big digit. It's credit. They take a credit for 7,000. I think generally they paid this money for inventorization because they prepare to um, growing in agriculture sector. uh, so after all the things, again, I think company not investment interesting, like long term investment. Mm, it's like just a company with pluses minuses, nothing special. But if we back to this point about stocks, yeah, price buying and price selling stocks. After I count this, I decide to check insiders, what insider site, and on this site it's called sec form 4. You can see in 2025 company um, buy stocks for $1.50, and also in 2025 they sold for 3.3 and 3.9. So my theory generally work. And also I check information in Finviz. Oh, now is priced to 46. Oh, cool. I have some profit. uh, and I check also on Finviz. They also have investor deals, and we can see here insider deals, and they buy it for 1.5 and sell for 331, 377, and 405. So I believe then its company looks like good speculation. We can buy it with discount, hold it before stocks grow for $3. If it's worked, I sell company for $3. I buy a little bit, about one stocks for $200. Yeah. So this is my idea, and this is all what I want to what I want to say about this company. Yeah, I hope it was interesting. So have a good day and good investment.